Welcome to the Requests Hoster app tutorial. You can receive requests on your phone or your tablet. So if you prefer that as opposed to receiving requests on your laptop in Pal or in PCDJ's Requests Plugin, you can do it this way. The plugin comes with a pretty robust singer rotation system, but you don't have to use it. If you're happy with the rotation system in your karaoke hosting software, you can simply use this app as an inbox for requests. The yellow highlighted writing up top is just telling you don't log into PAL requests while you're logged into this requests app, otherwise you won't receive requests correctly. So go ahead and log in with the request details you set up when you registered. Don't use your admin login here unless your admin and request logins are the same. The app presents you with a venue selector that contains the venues that you set up in PAL's gig guide. It shows you the show type, you can change that, and you can also select whether you want to start a new show and delete the last show's requests. This is the account page. You can access this page anytime by clicking on the menu tab on the top right of the screen. The menu tab contains a whole lot of other features and functions as well. The account page shows you which venue you're logged into, what type of show you're logged in as. There's a function that lets the singers see the first 3 songs in the rotation. You can choose to turn this on or off in the menu. And the account status will show you a subscription button here when your account trial runs out. You'll be made aware when your trial runs out the next time you log into PAL. So what I'll do now is jump over to what the singers see on their phone and we'll log in and send the DJ a request. First of all, we'll enter the DJ handle that the DJ has advertised at the gig, and then we'll select the venue. And here we are on the DJ's page. Let's do a search. Let's browse by letter. Where's Dancing Queen? Here we go. Click the Sing button and we're presented with the request dialog. We won't fill anything else out, we'll just send the request as is to get the idea. Yeehaw! While we're here, I'll quickly show you the song requests folder where singers can see what songs they have in the queue. This is telling me the request is on the way to the DJ. Once the DJ receives it and adds it to their rotation, it'll tell me that it's been added here. If I don't want to sing this song anymore, I can delete it and the DJ will get a cancellation notice. Now let's jump back into our Request Hoster app, and you'll see in the top left corner there, the inbox is flashing to let us know that a request has arrived. So go ahead and click that, and there you can see our request. Now there's pretty basic information there. If the singer had also sent through a key preference for the song and an extra singer name to add, you'd also see that here. Now we've got 2 options here. We can delete the request, which we would only do if we think the singer has left the building, or we can add it, which we'll go ahead and do. Because we don't have a singer folder set up yet, we're presented with this dialog, which gives us the opportunity to add our own name to the singer folder, but I typically just use whatever name is given. If we jump up to the rotation tab here, there we go, we can see the singer folder. If we open the singer folder, we can see the song that we've just added. You can delete singer folders or songs. Once we add more folders and songs, you can also change the order of them. If you click the Add New Folder button, that allows you to add a singer folder manually, so that people that bring up paper slips can still be included in the app's rotation. Open the singer folder and you can manually add a song, like so. Okay, I'll just jump back into the singer's phone, add another song. They want to take this up 2 keys. Jump back into the app. The inbox is flashing, so we check out the request. Notice the key information came through there. We add the request, and because we've already got a singer folder set up for this person, the song jumps straight into their folder. Now, because we have multiple songs in the folder, we have a move button that we can use to change the order of the songs. In a second, I'll show you the playlist tab, but first I just want to add a second song to David's folder so that we have 2 singers, each with 2 songs, and then we can see how that gets ordered in the playlist. So let's click the playlist tab, and there we go. The order of the playlist is a reflection of the order of the rotation tab. Each singer has their songs staggered to keep the rotation fair, which is pretty standard in rotation systems these days. You'll notice that David's songs don't have a buzz or a ban button. That's because he's not using the phone app to send you requests. He brought up a paper slip and we added his song manually, so there's no need to buzz or ban him. You can only buzz singers that use the app. Let's jump back to the rotation tab. Say we want to change it so that David has his song at the top of the playlist instead of Sean. We can make his singer folder the next in the rotation. We jump back to the playlist, and here you see the songs have been reordered and David is at the top. Jump back into the rotation. Say Dave has sung his song, we delete it, and then we set Sean up as the next singer. Jump back into the playlist and the order has changed. If a singer decides to cancel one of their requests by going into their requests folder and deleting it, you'll end up with a cancellation in the inbox here. Click OK and the request data will be deleted from the inbox, rotation and playlist. We can see that Dancing Queen has been deleted from both the rotation and the playlist. Alright, let's go over the features that you find in the menu tab. The first one toggles whether people can send you requests. Shoutout is the crowd messaging system. It's exactly the same here as it is in PAL. The instructions for this are in the quick start video, so check it out there. Next is the venue show type screen. If you want to change your show halfway through the night to a DJ show, you can do that here. Band users, you can check out who's on the band user list here, and if you want to reinstate their request privileges, you can delete them from the list. Delete all requests. That deletes the inbox, rotation and playlist request data for your show. Singers see rotation on/off. When you have this turned on, the singers will see the first 3 songs in the rotation when they click into their requests folder. And no explanation required for the rest of the items. And that's it for this tutorial. You can find more tutorials at songbookdb.com/tutorials.